What's up guys? So today we'll learn some basics about selecting text. Like let's say this is the text. First of all, what will I do? I'll press the left button on the mouse, then drag it. This is how my text is selected. Now let's say I want to copy this text. That I'll press Ctrl C and I want to copy the text to the next line, to the next position. So that's Ctrl V. Now what happens? See, my text has been copied. Now what I said, oh no, I didn't want to copy this text, so I want to undo it. I want to undo this step. I'll press Ctrl C. See, now my text is removed. So that's how I can do it. For selecting all the text, I'll press Ctrl A and see all my text is selected. The second step is to add let's suppose these bullet points, these bullets. For that, simply click on the initial location of the text, then go to the this part and just press this. See, this text, it has given an arrow. Again, you can change this shape by going to different shapes. Now I will undo it by Control Z. Then increasing font size, I'll select the whole text, and to change the font, I'll simply press, let's suppose, Times New Roman. I mostly prefer this, and I prefer size 12, so I'll select it. That's how. And you can also make bold. Let's suppose I want this line to be bold. So what happens when you select it by pressing? Then you can see here you give the options. So if you select this, it's bold. To undo it, you can either press this or you can say Control. That's pretty much it, and further we will learn in the next classes. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe for more short videos like this.